Hello friends, I am BM. In Windows 11, if you right click on anywhere of your windows, few options appear. Okay. When you right click on this PC, few options appear. Now I am going to show you how to see all the available option for that specific thing. Okay. Now press shift key, then right click on window. Now you see all the available option for the specific thing. Okay. Same like this PC. Right click. Now you see. Now see all the available option for this specific thing. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.